Hi, I'm Jason O'Neill. I'm here today to show you some of the latest features of our At Work app product. I'm joined by Capri Camboj, who's product manager of our Smart Building suite of products. So I know that we've been hard at work delivering one of our most important features, most requested features, and that's the ability to deliver a branded app for our customers. They want to see their logo, their font, their colors in the app and personalize it for their experience. Capri, what else has the team been up to?
We have been working hard to deliver a seamless experience for our users. We're connecting people with their spaces, which allows facility managers insights into how their spaces are being used. This also allows workplace leaders to develop and execute strategies about smart spaces based on real data.
Let me show you some of the new features that I've been working on. In the latest release of the app, we have made it easier for users to get started. With the new look and feel, we have made it easier for people to start making their workplace their place. Users can now quickly access the most important workplace features right on the homepage, such as setting a favorite space, controlling comfort settings, and also accessing special offers to local services. We're also making it easier to submit a ticket to At Work app and track its progress. We can connect to any maintenance management system you already use and orchestrate information seamlessly via the digital twin. Our ecosystem of partners and integrations are a critical component of what makes At Work app so dynamic. And because both Precision Hub and At Work app are powered by the same digital twin, this data gets populated back in Precision Hub and is made visible to the appropriate facility manager for more insights into their space.
Okay, now let's talk about what's coming next. We're seeing organizations change to adapt to the new ways that we're working. Whether it's new office spaces, flexible spaces, telecommuters, or even integration of on-demand services like ride sharing and food ordering into their companies. We're seeing the next evolution of office spaces. What are we doing to help them?
Well, as a first step, we're making it easier for our users to find and book workspaces. Our intelligent space booking systems allows users to book spaces based on their needs and preferences, get notified when the rooms becomes available due to a no-show. All of this information helps facility managers make decisions about their spaces based on real data.
What about organizations with a large campus or really complex floor plan? What are we doing to help them?
You can use Blue Dot Wayfinding to make that even easier. Blue Dot Wayfindings allows you to easily find your friends and colleagues in the workplace. It also allows you to find other spaces and things such as hot desks, meeting rooms, printers, and important exits.
It's very exciting. I can't wait to see this one out released to our users. So Capri, how do people find out more about At Work app?
To learn more about our company and At Work app, visit our website at www.thoughtwire.com and schedule a demo.